This is not good.
It's not good lighting.
Oh, this is good.
It's still there.
That's not. I got it.
Okay.
Alright. Hey! Hey! Hey!
What's up, gang?
Please. Guys.
What's up, gang? This is Micah. That's me. I'm Micah.
It's me.
This is
Hi.
Ava.
I'm the problem, it's me.
And this is Ren. And I'm Ava's cousin.
I'm Ava's
And
best friend.
okay, so tomorrow we're going to
Micah?
Anna Maria Island.
Hey guys! Guys, today we're filming a special video because we are
Going to Anna Maria Island.
I have two special guests with me today.
Micah.
Ren.
Okay, that was it. We're cutting it there. That was as loose as we needed.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Morning.
Alright, so I'm making eggs and bacon and fruit, but I just remember that Ren is allergic to eggs, so I might have to make some pancakes or something. We'll see. So this is why I brought the syrup out. It was strawberries.
Really?
Really? Oh.
And yesterday, oh my god, no.
We're getting ready to leave in a minute. Ren's getting her hair braided by my mom. Mike is playing Fortnite. Right now, I'll show you my suit I have on. This is the top. It's from Shein. Shorts are from Target. They're Levi's. And then my bottoms are like a different kind of pattern. Ren is in here getting ready. Look at her cute little outfit. She's in her Uggs.
She's like, bro.
You can borrow mine. And there's Micah taking 6 hours.
Micah, get ready.
I'm literally ready.
Okay.
We just sent Micah into Starbucks. We're just vibing.
I was because we were vibing.
Did you hear my dad this morning?
No.
He said, why are we skipping school today? I was
He
like,
was like, do you have enough credits?
yeah, he
I was
asked if I had enough credits to graduate.
He's so silly.
Like, Dad, missing a day on the last week of school is not gonna
I don't even
delete
think
credits.
I don't even think my mom knows I'm going. Mr. Cool Guy. Wait.
He knows.
Hey. How's it here? You kind of look crossed.
I think she's my dentist.
I'm
I'm not even lying. I think she cleaned my teeth last
I
time.
wish I was her dentist. Oh.
Guys, these
So feminine with grace. Don't ever think you ain't had it even. You for that. Doing too much, relax a bit. Acting like that cause your dad's a bitch.
Teach you with Chanel, I'ma teach you how to stand up. Slip and slide like a waterfall. You need some TLC, we could creep if you want.
You keep telling me that we can fix this, but we can't. The scalpel in your hand is only gonna cut me again, and I don't wanna take that chance. Some things, they just don't last. You can't get a prescription for that. Quit shoving these sugar pills down my throat, cause I'm starting to choke. Stop.
I'm coming, don't worry. So this is our crib right here. See the blue roof? That's our crib. This is our little private area right here. Basically like our own island. These are all our friends over here, our neighbors. That's Jim and Stacy right there.
That's definitely.
Over there, that's our sailboat. We're renting it out to them, but we own that.
guys, we've made it! Yeah!
I have umbrella duty, my favorite.
Look at that water.
Run, hurry.
Resting.
Oh no. Can we all run in together?
Just as one.
Clearer than they would.
Look at this.
It's like I can drink it. Like look.
And should we
There are
dunk?
other neighbors.
Should we dunk?
Jim and Pam.
So true, Jim.
Oh, okay, just Ava dunk. Nice dunk.
Headband, bro. Head out. Does it look good? It looks so good. A swarm of fish. You can literally see all the fish over there. That huge cloud is them. Sauce. This is our midway update, tanning. We're about to go get lunch.
All right.
I'm getting hungry.
We're getting a little hangry.
We're not angry.
I'm just kidding. We're not angry, but I'm hungry.
So just hungry.
Yeah.
We're getting hangry, but we're not angry. We're just hungry.
We're just happy and hungry. Don't even try to do that.
I'm hungry. That's where we're going. We're about to decide on a place, so.
Let's go look at the map.
What is that? That'd be a manatee, actually.
Guys, so I think it's a manatee. I'm not feminine, I swear. I had coached gymnastics, and now I'm mainly a basketball player, not a gymnast. I swear. Nope.
Micah, please. Micah, you have to. Bruh. She looks like a little seal. Whoa! Whoa! You guys see the dead fish?
What? Where? Oh! Breakfast. Bro, what if I?
You could, probably. Sorry. Moment.
Ren made it look really fun, so I guess I have to. What is it?
I believe I can fly. I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky.
Okay, we're on the trek. Get lunch now.
I pull my shirt on, walk out the door, drag my feet along the floor. I pull my shirt on, walk out the door, drag my feet along the floor. Then I see you, you're walking across the.
Got you part of the Clean Plate Club. I'm about to turn this up live. Ready? Is that you?
Is it white chocolate? Oh no.
I try to play with this. I'm like.
Cool professor studying romances. How am I supposed to pretend I never want to see you again? How am I supposed to pretend I never want to see you?
Back on the beach, tanning, hanging out for a little bit before we head home. so. No. All right. Why on earth was she walking like that?
Girl turned out, thank you guys for a good old boy like me. 7 summers ago.
He's saying, my name is Micah. And I'm a little. What are you doing? Get out! This is crazy. I don't want to be obvious, but look at this. Shoot. That's it from me, guys.
Hey guys. It's 5:30. We're packing up.
Guess what today was? The best day ever.
It really was. Okay, we're gonna make Micah carry all this stuff and then we're gonna go get ice cream.
Yes, yes, my favorite.
Woohoo! We've got ice cream. That guy was actually so attractive. Micah just got called John B. He didn't even say John B, he said John Booker Rutledge. He said
And my hair's not even
name.
all the way long yet.
He said I didn't.
Still.
He said I wasn't talking about you. I'm talking about the other kid.
Yeah, yeah.
No, I wasn't talking about you, I was talking about her.
He's like, I'm talking about her. Well, I'm talking about him. And I'm like, are you talking to me? Or
Who are you talking to? Two Scoops always has attractive guys working there.
Yeah, chill out.
Me too. I'm like. Oh, it smells. Bless you.
Look how cute this is.
Talk to you. No. Dang it.
Dang it, dang it, dang it, dang it, dang it, dang it.
No one told you life was gonna be this way.
Water the ocean?
I'll spray you.
No, no, no. Just not hit my feet at all. But
Make a perfect little halo.
I'm invincible. Oh, stop. You're so stuck. I just sat on my sunglasses.
We're back in the car, everyone. Just got Tube Scoops. Walked around the pier. It's so pretty. And this is our outro.
Howdy y'all. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up because I'm your girl. XOXO, Alice Axelotl.
I hated that.
I don't like that.
We're tan, we're burnt, we're tired, we're cranky, we're going in the pool. And this is our outro, so thanks for watching. Bye!